Alright, welcome back. Today I want to show you how to repair these space-saving bags once they inevitably break. As we all know, the space-saving bags are great. We love them for compressing our stuff together and putting it away somewhere. But unfortunately, since they're made of this thin, cheap plastic, in order for them to work properly and be cheap, well, they break easily. So today I want to go over an easy fix on how to fix these things once they break for you. If this is your first time watching my channel, I'm Tor. I love to make these organization, packing, travel videos. I love the space-saving bags. I even use them for travel once in a while. But I find that once they've been used a couple of times and you start... Well, sometimes it's a zipper that's gonna puncture it. Sometimes it's... well, it just starts leaking for no apparent reason. So what I noticed is it's usually around here. Around the area where the locking mechanism meets the plastic that it most often rips. Other areas are around the vacuum seal or just somewhere where it's punctured. So the way you fix these is by first you can fill them up, like blow them up with air or something. And once you have enough air in them, oh, feeling kind of lightheaded. And once you have enough air in them that you can kind of put some pressure on it for the air to start flowing out. What you want to do is just kind of listen for where the openings are. So for me it's usually always up here at the top. So what all you really have to do is you take your trusty tape and you take off a little piece. Take the piece of tape and then you're going to want to tape on the inside. Make sure you get a little extra tape around it so it doesn't slide open after a while. And you want to do the same thing on the outside. And there you have it. Easy fix. If you want to see how I use these for travel, I have a video where I compare these to the compression packing cubes and some other method to see which method is the most effective and what saves the most space. You can check it out over here in the corner. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and I will see you over there.